Hello, my name is Christopher Dente, and I'm a longtime acute care surgeon for Emory University at Grady Memorial Hospital in Atlanta. I joined East early in my career, and I've been lucky enough to serve on a variety of committees and participate in many of the national meetings. I've always found East has a wealth of opportunities to offer young surgeons who are interested in shaping our field as it moves into the future. It offers an outlet for research interests, it offers mentorship, it offers the ability to participate from a very early point in their career on important national committee work. I'm always asked for advice from junior faculty, and one of the biggest pieces of advice I can give them is to join a national society who values your participation, join a committee, and actually do something for that committee. It's the easiest way to advance your career, and East offers that opportunities to surgeons from all career backgrounds. So I highly recommend you get involved and join. Thanks for listening.